So this is the code for testing the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. It starts with declaring two integers, which is trig pin and echo pin, the values for which are pin number 9 and 10. Then there are one long, which is declared called duration, and then there is one more integer called distance, which has been declared. Under void setup, we are declaring the trig pin and echo pin as output and input pin respectively, and then we are starting the serial.begin communication with serial monitor. Now these three commands are to send the signals or to send the sound waves after the delay of 2 microseconds. So the trig pin will go low for 2 microseconds, and then it will go high for 10 microseconds, and post that will again go low. So this is the process of sending the sound wave signal for the ultrasonic sensor. Now we are storing the pulse in values into the duration integer. This is required for calculating the distance. The pulse in will give out the actual time traveled by the sound wave from the trig pin, or when the sensor sends it out through the transmitter, and then it hits the object and comes back to the receiver. So the duration will store time for entire journey with the help of the pulse in function. Now using the pulse in duration variable, will calculate the distance, which would be duration into 0.034 divided by 2, and then we'll print in the distance on the serial monitor. Now we'll upload the program onto Arduino. Once the program is uploaded, then we have to open the serial monitor. So immediately as soon as we open the serial monitor, we can see there are values which are reflecting. So this is the distance at which the sensor is actually sensing the object. Now if I put the hand in front of the sensor, the distance reduces. If I increase it further, the distance keeps on increasing further. So that is very much it from the ultrasonic sensors point of view. Thank you.